How to install and use the Expedia mobile app to plan your next trip. First of all, you need to install the Expedia app. So navigate to and open the Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. Once you are inside, use the search bar and type Expedia. You will get search suggestions. Find and select the one that exactly matches. Once the results appear on the screen, find the Expedia, Hotels, Flights and Cars app and open it on the screen. Once the app page is open, simply tap on the download arrow icon to start the downloading process. It will begin downloading and complete depending on your internet speed. Once the download and installation are complete, tap on the open button to go inside the app. Within a few moments, the home page will load and you will see this interface on your screen. Before proceeding, you need to sign in or create an account as a new user, so tap on Sign In at the top. Here you can continue with your email address, or you can use your Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook account. I will go with my Google account and set up my account. Now go back to the home page and let's explore the app. Scroll down the home page and you will find offers, last-minute booking options, and affordable places to stay. For a trip, you of course need a booking, so at the top, you will find some options like stay, flights, cars, etc. For this demonstration, I will select stay, and first select exactly where you want to stay. When you open this, it will ask you to select your current location, or you can select the location where you are planning to travel. For this demonstration, I will select London. Next, you need to choose trip date. Here on the calendar, it will ask you to select the dates for your planned stay. Select the start and end dates, and it will find options for you based on the number of days. Next is travelers, and here you can select the number of rooms and the number of people who are going to stay. You can add more by selecting the plus icon, and you can also select children if their age is from 0 to 17 from this list. Also, you can tap Add Another Room, and here you can again add the number of adults and children who will stay in that room. If you don't want another room, simply tap Remove Room and it will be removed. I will reduce the number of adults and finally tap Done at the bottom to save the changes. After these changes, you have the option to add a flight or a car. Finally, tap on Search and it will start searching for the best options for you. Once the search results appear, you can select any option that is best for you within your budget. Also, you can apply filters at the top. Tap on this option and it will open the Sort and Filter page on the screen. First, you can select Sort By. As you can see, these are sorted by recommended for you, but you can select any option that is best for you, such as price from low to high, distance, or rating. Also, you can search by the property name if you have a specific one in the area where you are going. The next part is to apply filters by choosing the price. You can enter the price from low to high, or select this slider and set your preferred price to get the best options within that range. Here you can find popular options such as air-conditioned rooms in London. You can apply any condition you want. If you want, you can also choose breakfast with your hotel, pay later, and more. Also, you can explore more options by filtering whatever your requirements are. Once you complete the filters, tap on Done at the bottom, and there you go. You can see that the filters have been successfully applied to the following options. You can select the best one that fits your budget. Also, at the bottom, you will find the map. If you tap on it, you can see the properties where you can book your stay. Once you find the best one, tap on it, and a pop-up will appear where you can see the details. If you want to make a booking, simply tap on it to open it in full screen. Now here, you can check the featured images of the room, hotel, or property to see whether you like it or not. Also, you can see the details they provide about the property. There is everything you need to help plan your trip. You can also see the available dates and times on the screen. After reviewing all these details, at the bottom, you can select the number of rooms you want to book and tap on Select and Customize. Here, you can choose whether you want a non-refundable booking or a refundable option. The refundable option costs more, but it is the better choice in case your plans change. Next, it will ask you whether you want to pay now or pay at the property when you visit. It is your choice. I will go with Pay at Property, and it will take me to the Booking Details page. Here, you can finally check the full booking details, including the pricing details, your first and last name, your contact information, and more. This information helps identify who will be staying at the property. After checking all the details and making sure everything is correct, complete the booking. When you arrive at your destination, you need to show these details and complete the payment to finish the process. Now, let's go back to the home page. Here, you can also book flights for your trip or rent a car if you are going to travel. You can also create a to-do list for your trip. Not only that, but you can also plan a cruise trip. You can explore all these options one by one to complete your bookings before going anywhere. Now, from the bottom menu, if you tap on Search, you will find the same options that we just explored for booking a stay, flight, or car. You can also explore the latest flight deals to get discounts. The next tab is Trips, and here you can see all the trips that you have created or saved in your profile, as well as your booked trips. If you want to create a new one, tap on Create a Trip, and it will take you to a new page where you need to enter the trip name and add a description as well. In this way, you can create a trip list here and also make bookings. The next tab is Inbox, and here you can check the messages you have received and the notifications about the latest deals and discounts. The last tab is Account, where you can check the rewards from your activity. If you open it, you can also learn how you can earn rewards by using this app. You can explore the available options to earn rewards and help reduce your trip expenses. Back on the Account page, you can also check your profile details, your communications with the service provider, your payment methods, discount coupons, the credits you have earned, your reviews, and more. So all these features will help you arrange everything on one platform for your trip and make it an unforgettable experience. And that's it.